Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Broadcast Control. This powerful feature in Adobe Connect creates a virtual green room, allowing hosts and presenters to prepare privately before going live. To activate it, simply open your Adobe Connect room, go to the Preferences menu, and select Broadcast Control. Here, you'll find a toggle to enable the feature. You can also choose to automatically sync your session recording with the broadcast, ensuring every live moment is captured. This setup takes just a few clicks. Once broadcast control is enabled, you'll enter the virtual green room, or backstage area. This private space is perfect for hosts and presenters to communicate freely and test their equipment. You can check your microphone levels and camera feed, ensuring everything is perfect before your audience joins. Participants in the main room will see a message letting them know the broadcast is about to begin, giving you ample time for final preparations and a smooth start. When you're ready, simply click Start Broadcast from the host and presenter area to go live. Your audience will then see and hear you. If you need a quick private chat or a short break during the session, you can pause the broadcast. This instantly returns you to the virtual green room, and you can even choose to pause the recording simultaneously. When you're ready to continue, just hit Resume to bring your session back to your waiting participants. To conclude your session, simply click End Broadcast. This action will stop the live feed to your participants and, if synced, will also stop the recording. You and your team will then automatically return to the private virtual green room, perfect for a post-session debrief without your audience. This allows for immediate feedback and discussion. Remember to review your recorded sessions later to continuously refine your presentation skills and technical setup for future broadcasts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.